Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So we are pretty much doing nothing. Y'all, look at this ponytail. I'm so proud of my ponytail. Look, I cut all my hair off and it's just growing back. And y'all see baby hair, baby hairing. I got pimple patches on my face because breakouts. But we super casual today, so I'm about to show y'all. I guess it's a little outfit of the day. Girl, I'm breaking the camera. Little outfit of the day. I'm in Kanaya room. That's me. She loves me. A little champion. What is this? A little champion shirt. And then I got on just these, like, they're kind of like yoga pants. They super comfortable because the weather is, they thin and stuff. The weather is hot, but it's like not too hot or whatever. So yeah, I gotta fix my underoos. But I just got on like some really casual flowy pants and some slides. So this is like something simple. Outfit of the day. Just something casual. Yeah. It'd be hard to find stuff with a big butt that's casual. Like, they're real comfortable. They don't snug or hug or like make this part uncomfortable because I got a gut, because I ain't been working out or nothing, but yeah, this part is, you know, is what's really important to me. Now I feel like putting on a shirt today, but I got on a bra underneath here because we gotta be comfortable, and I do not like showing them.
Take my vitamins.
Thank you, Alexa. Alexa, off. Thank you. She get on my nerves too. But yeah, I don't know what we're gonna do. So I don't know what store I'm gonna end up in here. But I wanna vlog something. So I will see y'all in a minute. Because I don't like to use that. Okay, we in Hobby Lobby. Oh, it smells good in here. They got harvest stuff out already. I love this. I am. Put it on the porch. Look, how cute is that? Look at this. This could be the wallpaper. I mean, one of those. What's the Wait, let me come on. Pose. Here, so I can take a picture. Go back. All right, so we walked in Hobby Lobby. I have this rug, but it flew off, and it's on the side. Yeah, it flew off on the side. I wonder how much is these? How much is these? Because I will get this to put it on the, I love harvest decorations. I don't do Halloween decorations, I do harvest decorations. This is on his tush. This is really cute. It's $73.99. Is it? Yeah. That's a lot of money. Okay. Put it down. I like this. It's cute though. And they got the flowers out and stuff. I really like that. I like white flowers. Like these type of flowers in the summer. Maybe like this. Yeah, put it in your mouth. Don't do that. What's up? That girl today. Okay, come on. Oh, look at this pumice tree. Oh, look at this. This is really cute. Hey, this was on my room. they got a whole long line. So that's pretty much is the whole fall. Child, I love fall. Like, it's my favorite season. I love the smells. I love the sweaters. I love fall. So when fall comes, and plus my birthday in November too. So I love this. This is beautiful. I wonder how much is that. Oh, it's super light too, so I can pick it up. That is 50 bucks. 50 bucks. It's 50 bucks, guys. 50 bucks, 50 bucks. They got everything. Welcome to our patch. I think that's adorable to go in your yard. It's really cute. It's just a sign. That is cute. Yeah, I don't decorate for Halloween. I decorate for the harvest season. I don't know. I preferred it. Oh, look at the little bench you can put your little scarecrow man on. That's cute. Okay. Hey guys, it's me, y'all favorite. Besides mama. Ooh, look at these mirrors. Look at these mirrors. Rocking the mirror. Look at these mirrors. Get this one, y'all. This, I love circle mirrors. Look at that circle mirror. That circle mirror is so cute. Okay. Look at that circle mirror. Like, I really dilly yawn. Love circle mirrors. But we're not doing nothing right now. We just looking at, mama, look at this. It's cute. Oh, sorry. Mama trying to take over the camera once again after I get it. Here y'all go. Okay, so we just stumbled into another aisle with harvest stuff. So I just want to show y'all all these options. So this is a whole nother aisle. And look how cute is this sweater, pumpkin. $12.99. This is so cute. Like, come on. Look at this. And then look at that wreath. I just got a wreath, but that one I will get. I think I got 2 wreaths actually. And these are just like strings of, this is the mirror aisle. And we walk past, I'm like, oh. So this is beastie. Like, they coming in hot. And then look on back. This is the back. This is the back wall. So I was coming past, minding my business, trying to get to the planters. They got straw bale. And they got over here. Oh, you thought they were done? They weren't done. Look, all the way at the tippy top. Okay. And then she can stand up. Look at the sunflower wreath. Really cute. She's adorable. She is so adorable. She's adorable. And then look at this. Like, this whole little owl. I really like the Happy Planners, and they have so many more stuff to offer. I haven't bought a Happy Planner in so long because maybe I should just get a small one just to write down, because they changed their little rings and stuff. I don't like that. I like the disc ones because I do really extended one. But I think I'm gonna just do a 12-month one because I don't like the ones that go into 2024 because that's just too much for me. So yeah. Oh, they got a 4-month one. That's even better for me. I like 4-month planners. That's really cool. This is a 4-month planner. I like that. They're not cheap either, so I like that they have all these little things you can buy with it. accessorize with it. The sticker books are expensive, but then it's this other brand I like to get. They call it Agenda. I like to get their stickers and stuff because their stickers are way affordable and they have so much more to offer. And I just like the way they stickers look, and I don't have to buy a whole book if I choose not to, you know. So I just like the way they have it, and that's just me. And then some people don't. Okay, we're back at it. So the Happy Planner, I got my hair in a bun. Y'all probably like, what she got going on? They have finally they have the covers for the Happy Planner too. I've been looking for these, and then I'm also looking for they have like these note sheets. Here they go. I've been looking for these, the black ones, and you can write on. So freaking amazing. So cute. But yeah, that's pretty much it.
I didn't even know the camera was facing our way.
Yeah, but I just wanted to show y'all the wall decor at Hobby Lobby because they put it out early in the middle of the summer because you can get your stuff early, and then you know home decor like today or this week, all the home decor is on 40% off. So if you do like Hobby Lobby and you choose to go shopping, you want to come get your anything you choose, home stuff, fall stuff, kitchen stuff, anything here, you want to get it 40% off because it's on sale this week. We don't know how long it's gonna last because 1 week it'll be on sale and then it might last 1 week or 2 weeks. Come here, get your stuff on sale, and yeah, come here and shop at Hobby Lobby. I love Hobby Lobby and I want you guys to check it out. Oh, I want to make sure she's in the camera.
She's so short.
So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. We will have a light, and I will not forget my tripod next time we vlog.
I told her that she want to listen to me.
Yeah, she did. I forgot it, but did not forget the camera this time though. That's the most important thing.
She didn't, because she always forget the camera.
Always. And we going to Plenty Stores
Today?
No.
Oh. I said she finna wear me out.
No. I don't want to go Plenty Stores, but I wanted to go on Hobby Lobby because we haven't stopped in here in a while. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys, if you find something you like in here, please drop in the comment below, and I will see you next one.